Hi and welcome to Hindi की पाठशाला. Today we will be reading the lesson बीरबल की परीक्षा, which is chapter 3 of the textbook Mukta. बीरबल की परीक्षा means the test of Birbal. As you all know, Birbal was a minister in the court of Emperor Akbar and was considered one of the 9 jewels of his court. That the name given to it was Navratna. He got this position on because of his intelligence, his quick wit, and his logical thinking, and the ability to solve almost any problem given to him. Emperor Akbar depended on Birbal a lot and would often turn to him for complex questions. And more often than not, Birbal would be ready with the correct answer. एक बार अकबर का दरबार लगा हुआ था. Once Akbar's court was in session. Now this is similar to the Indian Parliament when it is in session, winter session, summer session. The only difference is that the Emperor Akbar would be seated on his throne and all the courtiers or the ministers will be seated on chairs which were laid down in front of the hall. सभी अपनी अपनी जगह पर बैठे हुए थे. All ministers were sitting in their places. तभी वहाँ पर एक शिल्पी आया. Just then a sculptor came there. उसके हाथ में 3 मूर्तियाँ थी. He was carrying 3 statues, or actually they were very small statues, so it's like more like statuettes. तीनों मूर्तियाँ देखने में बिल्कुल एक जैसी थी. All 3 statuettes were very similar to each other, and there was hardly any difference between them. वो बोला, ये तीनों मूर्तियां देखने में तो बिल्कुल एक जैसी है, लेकिन इनकी आंतरिक संरचना में फर्क है. The sculptor declared that these 3 statuettes are similar. In fact, they are too similar, but inside structure, that is the interior portion of these statuettes, are different from each other. इन तीनों में से एक मूर्ति श्रेष्ठ है. One of these statuettes is the best, only one. क्या आपके दरबार में कोई व्यक्ति ऐसा है जो श्रेष्ठ मूर्ति को पहचान सके? Is there any intelligent minister in your court who can tell which of these statuettes is the best? ये सुनकर अकबर ने बीरबल की ओर देखा. When he heard this, Emperor Akbar immediately looked at Birbal, and Birbal understood the emperor's glance and knew that he was the one who was supposed to answer this question. बीरबल ने तीनों मूर्तियां अपने हाथ में ले ली. बीरबल picked up all 3 statuettes one by one. वे उन मूर्तियों को उलट पुलट कर देखने लगे. He started examining the statuettes very carefully. He turned them around, he turned them upside down, and he looked closely, and then he held them at a distance. He looked at them from every possible angle. तीनों मूर्तियों में कोई फर्क नहीं था, but there was no difference in any of the 3 statuettes. तभी बीरबल को मूर्तियों के कान और मुंह में बारीक बारीक छेद दिखाई पड़े. And yes, suddenly Birbal saw that there were small holes, very small, which could hardly be seen, in the ears and the mouth of these statuettes. अब बीरबल ने एक लंबा और पतला तार मंगवाया. बीरबल called for a small thin wire. उन्होंने वो तार एक मूर्ति के कान में डाला तो वो तार उस मूर्ति के मुंह से बाहर निकल आया. He inserted the wire in the ear of one of the statuettes and it came out through the stomach of that it came out through the mouth of that statuette. अब बीरबल ने दूसरी मूर्ति के कान में तार डाला तो वो तार उसके दूसरे कान से बाहर निकल आया. Now he took the same wire and inserted it in one of the ears of the second statuette and it came out through the other side, that is through the other ear of that statuette. जब बीरबल ने तीसरी मूर्ति के कान में तार डाला तो वो तार बाहर ही नहीं निकला बल्कि सीधे पेट के अंदर चला गया. When he inserted the same wire in the ear of the third statuette, the wire did not come out from anywhere. In fact, it kept going in and in. Probably it was there was space inside the stomach of the statuette and that's where the wire went. बीरबल ने वो मूर्ति शिल्पी के हाथ पर रख दी और बोले, तीनों मूर्तियों में यही मूर्ति सर्वश्रेष्ठ है. Birbal handed over all the 3 statuettes to the sculptor and said, "This is the best statuette among all 3." शिल्पी मुस्कुराया। ठीक है, मान लेता हूं, लेकिन ये श्रेष्ठ क्यों है? इसका कारण बताइए। The sculptor smiled and he said, "That is okay, I agree. But why? You have to give me a logical answer. Give me the reason why you think this is the best." बीरबल ने कहा, ठीक है, कल्पना करो कि ये मूर्ति राजा का मंत्री है और तार राजा की गुप्त बात। बीरबल said, "Okay, just imagine that this statuette is one of the king's minister and this wire is one secret of the king, which is the secret of the country as well." पहली मूर्ति के कान में डाला गया तार उसके मुंह से बाहर आया। When I inserted the wire in the ear of one of the first statuette, it came out through his mouth. पहली मूर्ति के कान में डाला उसके मुंह से बाहर आ गया। इसका मतलब ये है कि ये मंत्री ठीक नहीं है। This means that this minister is not the right person. वो राज्य की गोपनीय बातों को गुप्त रखने में समर्थ नहीं है। He cannot keep the secrets of the state to himself. He cannot keep the secret of the country or the king to himself. कहीं भी बात उसके मुंह से निकल सकती है। If he is told a secret, then he can spill it out to anyone at any time. इस प्रकार का मंत्री अधम माना जाता है। This type of minister is useless. दूसरी मूर्ति के एक कान में डाला गया तार दूसरे ही कान से बाहर आ गया, अर्थात बात चाहे कितनी जरूरी क्यों न हो, वो उस बात को ध्यान से नहीं सुनता। Now the second statuette. When the wire is inserted in the ear of the second statuette, it came out through the ear, through the other ear, that is the opposite ear. That means, however important any subject is or any topic is or any information is, this minister does not listen to it carefully. एक कान से बात को सुनता है और दूसरे से कान को निकाल देता है। He listens through one ear and lets the thing out through another ear. इस प्रकार का मंत्री मध्यम श्रेणी का माना जाता है। This type of a minister is a medium level minister. ऐसे मंत्री भी राजा के लिए हितकारी नहीं होते। These types of ministers are also not completely perfect for any king or country. तीसरी मूर्ति के कान में डाला हुआ तार कहीं से बाहर नहीं निकला, बल्कि सीधे उसके पेट में उतर गया। The wire inserted into the ear of the third minister did not come out from anywhere. In fact, it went into his stomach. ऐसा मंत्री राजा के लिए हितकारी है। This is the kind of minister that a king always needs. वो राज्य की गोपनीय बात को ध्यान से सुनता है, किसी के सामने भेद नहीं खोलता। He listens to every secret told to him by the king, but he does not let it out anywhere. उसे अपने पेट में संग्रह करके रखता है, इसीलिए ऐसा मंत्री श्रेष्ठ माना जाता है। He simply keeps on listening to information, but he does not let out any information. That is why this kind of a minister is the best minister. यही विशेषता इस तीसरी मूर्ति में भी है, इसलिए यह मूर्ति श्रेष्ठ है। This is the speciality of the third statuette and that is why it is the best. शिल्पी बीरबल की तर्कपूर्ण बातों को सुनकर आश्चर्यचकित रह गया। The sculptor was stunned to listen to this logical explanation from बीरबल. उसने आगे बढ़कर बीरबल को गले से लगाया और बोला, बीरबल, आप सचमुच होशियार है। The sculptor came close to बीरबल and hugged him and said, "You are really intelligent." उसने तीनों मूर्तियां बीरबल को उपहार में दे दी। He was so happy that he gifted all the 3 statuettes to बीरबल. सभा में उपस्थित सभी दरबारी बीरबल की जय जयकार करने लगे। Now all the ministers present in the court started clapping and applauding बीरबल। बादशाह अकबर के चेहरे पर मुस्कान खिल आई। Emperor Akbar smiled because it was proved that there are many intelligent persons in his court and nobody can go away without the answer to any complicated questions. बच्चों, बीरबल एक बुद्धिमान और हाजिर जवाब व्यक्ति के रूप में जाने जाते हैं। Children, Birbal is known as a very intelligent and quick-witted person. He had a ready answer for everything and that answer was also logical and nobody could find fault with that answer. That is why Birbal was so loved by Badshah Akbar. बादशाह अकबर ने इसीलिए उन्हें अपने 9 रत्नों में शामिल किया था. दैट्स वाई एम्परर अकबर had put his name in the 9 jewels of his court. बीरबल समय समय पर बादशाह अकबर द्वारा पूछे गए प्रश्नों का सटीक और मनोरंजक उत्तर देकर प्रशंसा पाते थे. बीरबल had often given correct answers to complicated questions and earned the appreciation of Emperor Akbar. बच्चों, हम सबको भी किसी समस्या का निवारण अपनी बुद्धि विवेक का प्रयोग करके करना चाहिए ताकि सभी हमारी प्रशंसा करें. Children, just like Birbal, we should also use our brains and logical thinking to find answers to our own questions and earn appreciation from other people. Thank you.